Welcome back everybody, and today we're going to be talking about the top 5 125cc motorcycles. So number 5 on our list is the Bullet Hero. So this bike is a Chinese made bike. It's a scrambler style bike with big forks, big knobbly tyres, and it's not going to handle that well or go that quick, but it looks really good and the exhaust sounds pretty fruity too. That's number 5 on our list. Next up is the Honda CB125R. What a fantastic looking bike. This bike represents the premium end of the 125 market. It actually has premium features like Showa front suspension. It's got a TFT screen, both shared with its bigger brother, the CB650R, which again is a stunning looking machine. The engine is water cooled and it'll do about 75 miles an hour and return 100 miles per gallon. So great little bike. The next bike on our list is the Mutt Mongrel 125cc. This is a fantastic little bike, and my dad actually has the 250 version of this motorcycle. Mutt make a great little bike. They use CNC finishing touches, branded components on their motorcycles, and they're similar to the Bullet, but they're just a little bit more refined and a little bit more high-end. A great little bike, 85 miles per gallon, stunning looking, very retro, very cool looking, great bike, and that's the Mutt 125. So number 2 on our list is the Yamaha Wizard FR 125. This is an amazing looking bike, especially in blue. It looks basically like an R6. Add to that you've got a digital dash, Brembo brakes, the underslung exhaust, which in this case is an Akrapovic. It is incredible. I would not be ashamed to be riding that bike. The bad thing about it is though, it is £4,300, so you do pay a lot for the premium finish and the looks. And number 1 on our list is from Lexmoto, the LXR 125. This is a fantastic looking bike. You've got twin wavy discs up front, digital dash, LED daytime running lights, and amazing fully faired design. The LXR is a little bit less powerful than its rivals, putting out 11.7 brake horsepower, but it will still do an indicated 70 miles per hour top speed, and you can cruise at 60 all day long. The great thing about the Lexmoto is the price. It's about half as much as its Japanese rivals and comes in around £2,199. The other thing about Lexmoto is they just seem a really great company. If you look at any of their videos on YouTube or in their promotional videos, they're always asking for consumer feedback. They want to learn about our views on the bike and they want to make improvements. So that's a real tick in my book. So great company and great looking bike. That would be my choice if I was in the market for a brand new 125. Right, thanks for watching the video today guys, and if you did like the video please do comment, like and subscribe for our upcoming content. See you in the next one team.